In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tracking URLs in HubSpot. If you're looking to track the performance of your marketing campaigns and gain insight into where your traffic is coming from, setting up tracking URLs is an essential skill. In just a few minutes, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to do just that. The first step is to head over to the HubSpot website. Open your favorite web browser and type in hubspot.com, or you can just click on the link if it's been provided for you. This will take you to the HubSpot homepage where it all begins. Once you're there, you'll see the login option at the top right of the page. Go ahead and click on it to access your HubSpot account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your main control center, and from here you can navigate to various tools and settings. Look around to familiarize yourself if you haven't before. To proceed, you'll need to find the settings gear icon, usually located in the main navigation bar. Click on this to access the settings menu. In the settings section, look for an option labeled Tracking and Analytics. This is where you can manage all things related to tracking and performance measurement. Click on Tracking and Analytics to enter that specific section. Now you're getting closer to creating your tracking URL. Within Tracking and Analytics, you'll want to find the option that says Create Tracking URL. This is a straightforward process, but be sure to have your campaign details ready as you'll need them in the next few steps. Once you identify the Create Tracking URL button, click on it to start creating your unique URL. After clicking to create a tracking URL, you'll find yourself on a new page where you can set up the parameters of your URL. This part of the process allows you to specify details such as the campaign name, the source, medium, and other parameters that help track where your traffic is coming from. These details are crucial as they ensure that your tracking is robust and meaningful. Take a moment to fill out each field appropriately. Once all the parameters are filled in, you'll see a Create button at the bottom of the page. Double check the information you've entered to ensure everything is correct and complete. When you are satisfied, click on Create to finalize your tracking URL. Congratulations, you've now successfully set up a tracking URL in HubSpot. You can use this URL in your marketing campaigns and start collecting valuable data on where your traffic is stemming from. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With your new tracking URL, you're now better prepared to analyze the performance of your marketing efforts. Remember that understanding your traffic sources can greatly enhance your strategic decisions and marketing efficiency. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, happy tracking.